In this video, we're going to look at using campaign links. Quite often in a marketing email, we will set the same URL multiple times, sometimes across multiple emails too. A campaign link is the tool we can leverage for these kinds of links to ensure easy maintenance and reusability. In this video, we're going to take a look at creating campaign links and using campaign links. Here's how to do it. When you're inside a campaign, hover over the Actions drop-down and select Links. Click on the green Add a Link button. Give the new link a name. This is what will be displayed in the campaign link drop-down when setting a link in an email. Put in the URL for where you want the link to go. Add a description for anybody that might be administering the campaign. When you're done, click the Save button on the right to add this campaign link to the campaign. Click Close at the bottom of this menu to return back to the campaign. To use this in an email, you'll want to go into the email itself, highlight the text that you want to hyperlink, and when adding it as a link, highlight the text that you want to link and click on the Link button. Change the drop-down from URL to campaign links and choose the link that you've configured. Click on Insert Link. Whenever someone clicks on a campaign link in an email, Infusionsoft first checks the value of the campaign link and then redirects the recipient to that location. Campaign links are great for reusable campaigns or when a particular URL may change over time. For example, we could use a campaign link that points directly to a PDF on your server and use that to deliver the PDF in an email. If we ever want to update the PDF, we simply have to update the campaign link URL and not every single link within each email individually. This could also be used to close a shopping cart. We can create a sales page campaign link which takes people to a checkout URL. Then use the campaign link in every email that's asking for the order. After the promotion is over, we can update the campaign link URL to a closed cart page and then republish the campaign. The next time someone clicks on a link in those old emails, they'll be taken to the closed cart page as the campaign link has changed since they originally received it. Also, merged field variables will properly work in the URL of a campaign link. This can be a really handy trick for certain scenarios. In the next video, we're going to look at creating tags for database segmentation.